You've been lied to. You've been told your soil is the problem. Too dry, too wet, too acidic, just plain bad. You buy the expensive fertilizers, you amend, you weep over withered plants. But what if your soil isn't the problem at all? What if you've simply been planting the wrong kind of plant? I'm here to let you in on a secret the big gardening stores don't want you to know. There are vines out there that don't just tolerate poor soil, they prefer it. They're the resilient ones, the survivors, thriving in the very conditions that make other plants give up. Stop fighting your dirt and start growing. The Trumpet Vine is the fiery rebel on our list, producing brilliant red blooms shaped like, well, trumpets. Perfect for attracting hummingbirds. This woody vine is a nitrogen fixer, enriching the soil as it grows, and its deep root system makes it incredibly drought tolerant, flourishing easily in sandy, clay, or rocky ground that starves other plants. The Rangoon Creeper is a fast-spreading climber, renowned for its stunning deep red foliage in the autumn, making it a beautiful secret weapon for fall color. This hardy vine has an extensive root system, allowing it to outcompete and thrive where others fail, blooming best in poor mediums like sandy or clay soil, where rich soil would only produce excess leaves. The beech morning glory and its relatives are actually inhibited by too much richness. They literally prefer soil that's loose and not very nutrient dense to produce their bell-shaped flowers. While they enjoy intermittent watering and well-drained soil, adding excess fertilizers or rich supplements will actually stop these day bloomers from giving you their full show. The Rangoon Creeper focuses its energy entirely on producing highly fragrant star-shaped flowers that beautifully change color from white to pink to red as they mature. This vigorous vine actively prefers sandy, nutrient-poor soil, channeling its energy into these spectacular blooms rather than greedy foliage growth. Its drought tolerance makes it a favorite in hot, low-maintenance areas. Wisteria is another nitrogen-fixing powerhouse, celebrated for its spectacular drooping clusters of lilac flowers. This incredibly fast-growing deer-resistant vine only needs occasional pruning to keep it focused and blooming. But remember, this survivor will suffer if its feet get wet. Good soil drainage is essential for its success. Clematis will of course tolerate almost any soil type you throw at it, making it a garden favorite from spring through fall, regardless of your medium's flaws. As long as it gets ample sun and some afternoon shade, this adaptable vine will provide beautiful, colorful flowers, showing remarkable resilience across different cultivars that handle both cold winters and hot summers. The passion flower is an absolute magnet for bees and butterflies, producing intricate flowers in shades of purple and white. This resilient perennial actually uses a poor nutrient profile to its advantage, focusing its energy on blooms rather than foliage. But be warned, this hardy vine can easily grow up to a towering 20 to 30 feet tall. Bittersweet is a deciduous vine that transforms in the fall, displaying green-white flowers that turn into charming little orange berries, a treat for local birds and fauna. Thanks to its deep root system, this super fast grower is remarkably drought tolerant, quickly spreading and dominating even the porous soils by accessing deep water and nutrients. The Dutchman's pipe is a vigorous grower, celebrated for its beautiful heart-shaped leaves and distinctive pipe-shaped flowers. It thrives in versatile soil conditions, and its large root system allows it to absorb moisture and nutrients even in dry or less than ideal conditions. The coral vine, also known as Mexican creeper, is a rapid grower with delicate pink flowers that bloom beautifully from summer through fall. This adaptable climber is famous for decorating fences and trellises, boosting strong roots that dive deep to absorb nutrients from the lower, poorer soil layers. The silver lace vine is a vigorous, deciduous plant that produces dreamy clusters of fragrant white and pink blossoms and heart-shaped green leaves. This beauty thrives in poor soil and needs very little water, but beware, its aggressive nature means you must prune it heavily in winter and spring to keep it in check. The Moonflower gets its name from its fragrant white blooms that open dramatically at dusk and stay open all night. As a tough relative of the morning glory, this sun-loving climber does exceptionally well in sandy or loamy, well-draining soils that lack nutrients. But it can be an aggressive colonizer, using other plants as ladders once it naturalizes. The cypress vine is delicate and fern-like with small star-shaped scarlet flowers and a remarkably strong root system. It flourishes in poor sandy or loamy soil with minimal nutrition, but like its cousin, it hates wet feet. And note, its foliage is toxic to dogs, cats, and horses. The cat's claw vine gets its name from its claw-like tendrils that cling to almost any surface. It displays large, showy, bell-shaped yellow flowers. But its strong roots can quickly invade and colonize disturbed areas, forming a thick blanket of foliage. Regular strong pruning is a must. Smilax is a fast-growing perennial that provides lush, dense foliage for ground cover or climbing structures. Its glossy green leaves and subtle flowers make it beautiful, but its deep roots are what make it unstoppable, pulling nutrients and moisture even from well-draining sandy soils. Akebia, often called chocolate vine, earns its name from its fragrant chocolate-scented flowers and purple fruit. This vine is both shade and drought tolerant, with deep roots that draw from poor soil. Just make sure the soil is well draining to encourage blooms. Bougainvillea is a spectacularly hardy climber, famous for its fiery reds, oranges, magentas, and purples. These vines demand sunshine and sandy loam soil, and bloom best when the soil is poor, as long as it's dry and well draining. Never let it get soggy. Dragon fruit is a large, unique cactus vine with chunky foliage and delicious red fruit. Given its desert origins, this plant loves poor quality soil. Just give it airy cactus-style conditions and it will reward you. And finally, the black-eyed Susan vine, an easy, sun-loving climber with bright yellow to red tubular flowers, and that signature dark cluster. Though it prefers rich, moist soil, this adaptable vine will still thrive in poor soil. The only thing that stops it is a waterlogged medium. Stop agonizing for your soil. Start planting like a secret gardening master. Now you know the truth. These 19 resilient vines are the answer to your impossible garden. If this secret knowledge changed the way you see your dirt, smash that like button and subscribe for more gardening insights you won't find anywhere else.